Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Processor. So in this video I'm gonna tell you the harsh reality of the money making videos on YouTube. So you could go to the YouTube and search how to earn money. There will be various videos that will tell you that you could earn $10 per hour, you could earn $50 per hour, you could earn $100 per hour, even they say you could earn $1,000 per hour. So is this real? You could earn or not? Yes, you could. But what that means is that what they are telling that I am doing this and I earn this much, so they are skilled and they are doing it from various years. That is what doesn't apply on you. What does it mean? That if you are skilled, then it's okay, but if they are on a platform like Freelancer, Fiverr and Upwork, they are doing it from various years, so they have an experience and also they are skilled. So what happens is that when you go to the Fiverr and Upwork and make account, you can say you make seller account. So you go there and make a gig, and then what happens is that you never get an order. What does it mean? That you will have to go to the buyer's request and then you will have to write that I am a graphical designer and I can do your work, and then state the full offer. So they will read it and they will get hundreds of offer there. So they are not going to choose you if you are new and unskilled, because they have option. So why they are gonna pay you? So that's what the reality is. So what does it mean? That you should have to make the brand instead of just going to the Fiverr and Upwork and just start the freelancing journey. What does it mean is that you should have minimum 100 genuine people on your social media whom you are giving values from various months and years. And then what you can do is that if you are giving them value, one day they will become the value for yourself. So you could advertise, you could do affiliate marketing, and also you could serve as an email marketing agency. What does it mean is that if you have an Instagram account or you have an YouTube account and you have 100 genuine subscribers right there, so what you can do is that you could then start the freelancing journey. Like if there are some out of 100, if there are some professional clients there, so you could request that I am a graphic designer and I could do this much work. So if there will be people, as they know how much skilled are you, so they will then come to you. You do not have to go to there like in the Fiverr and Upwork what you do. So the buyers will come to you and ask, please do this work. Otherwise, if you go to the direct to the Fiverr and Upwork and just start your freelancing journey, you will have to go to the buyer and request that I am a graphic designer and I can do this work. So what is the right way here? So what is the solution? So the first thing that you should do is that make an Instagram account or YouTube account, showcase your skills, what you have got, and then work and give values to the people for 3 months, 5 months, until that some people and some buyers or some clients get with you or some clients get joined to your social media accounts. Then what you could do is that you could then produce value from those clients. What does it mean? That you could do various things like affiliate marketing and freelancing works and different type of things. So this is the right way to do the freelancing. So instead of just going to watch the thousands of videos of how to make online, how to make money online, you just have to make the digital footprints. So don't waste your time in just looking at thousands of videos available on YouTube, so how to earn money and like this. So just do one thing. You should have to acquire those 100 peoples and make your brand, and then you should start the freelancing journey. And if you have acquired, then you could start. So this is the right way. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys liked it. Like, share and subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching.